Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the Blackbird company. Friend, Blackbird is a multinational organization and they are providing the virtual internship program on software engineering. And friend, it is a absolutely free internship. So whether you are the college going students, working professionals or the freshers, you can easily apply for this virtual internship program and get the certificates and increase your knowledge. So friend, we are going to check the all the details, how you have to register for this virtual internship program and what types of things you will learn. So please watch the video complete. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Forage company who is providing this Blackbird software engineering virtual internship program. So friend, you can see here. This virtual experience program is absolutely free. So you did not pay to any money and you can also see here they have given that this virtual experience program is a free for students, and friend, it is also for the working professionals, how we are going to check in the middle of the video. And friend, you can see here this program is a self-paced and it will take around 5 to 10 hours to complete it, and you will get the practical skills and experience from the Blackbird Australia, and you can use this experience on your resume as well as on your LinkedIn profile. So, friend, you have the question in mind that why you need to join this virtual internship program. So, friend, Blackbird is a venture capital fund based in Australia and New Zealand, and they invest in every type of technology and unified by wild ambitions. And this program is a embodiment of what they value the most as a company, and will allow you to explore the compelling work that startup do all over the world. During this program, you will gain a valuable insights into what it like to be a software engineer in startup environment. You will also get the opportunity to practice skills such as how to build and verify code, assess cloud infrastructures, and more. And the best part, after completing each module, you will have the opportunity to compare your work with real work sample answers from experts working at some of Blackbird's portfolio companies, and this will give you chance to learn from their process and improve the future. Upon completing the program, you will earn a certificate that help you stand out during your job search. So friend, let's check here. A small video is given by the Robbie Denholm, which is an operating partner at Blackbird. So I will provide the link in the description box from where you can access this link and watch the video. So we have discussed the benefits. That is, you will get the certificates. You can make it on your CV and LinkedIn profile, and you will get the real work experience. So friend, let's check what types of things you will learn. So you can see here the first module, that is a collaborate using GitHub with a Propeller. So you have to manage your repo using GitHub CLI. You will get the practical skills from working on the various types of tasks. So in this module you will get the skills related to GitHub and collaboration. Then in the second module you can see you have to build and verify your code with Harrison.ai. Then you have to write input validation and unit and integration test for React application. So you will get the knowledge related to the React, unit testing and JavaScript. Then you can see in the module number 3, you have to find product market fit with the Forage. You have to propose a new feature to undergo A/B testing. So you can see A/B testing and product analysis. So this type of skills you will learn. Similarly, you can see friend in module number 4, you have to contribute to a sprint retro with a Baraja. Then you can see acknowledging wins and loses, how to improve. You will learn how to do the project management, what is the Agile. Then you can see in the module number 5, you have to utilize an open source project with Morse micro. Then you have to create a temperature warning system using Arduino microcontroller. Then you can see you will learn how the Arduino works, what types of hardware is used, then assess cloud infrastructures with Forage. You have to architect low cost, high performance system using AWS products like AWS cloud infrastructures and architecture. So this type of things you will learn, friend. And friend, once you complete these modules and the task, then you will get this type of certificates. So friend, before going to check the certificates, if you are not subscribed to our channel Mechanical Stream yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, interview tips and the virtual internship programs. So friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream to receive the notification of our latest video. So friend, you can see here this type of certificates you will get. On the top you can see the company name, that is a Blackbird is mentioned. Then below you can see your name will be given, and you can see the topic name is given, that is a software engineering virtual experience program. And friend, one of the important thing that you will get the date, you can see, and also you will get the what types of modules you have learned in this virtual internship program. So you can see here. And friend, if you anyone want to verify your certificate, then at the bottom of the certificate they have given the link. If you click on this link, then you can verify it. And friend, it is a very good certificate, it will increase your knowledge. So let's check how you have to register. So friend, once you open the link which is given in the description box, this type of page will come here. And on the left side you can see register now button is given. You have to simply click on that. And once you click, then this type of window will appear. So you can see here two options are given, that is sign up with email and the login. If you are the new one, then you have to first register yourself, and if you already have account on the Forage, then you can directly log in. So we are going to first register. For that we have to click on the sign up with email, and once you click friend, then this type of window will appear. So you can see here you have to here write first name, then you have to enter your last name, then you have to enter your email address, then you have to create one password which consists of a minimum 8 characters. Then you have to select the any one option here, like you are the high school students, university or college, or in career. So friend, in the start of the video I have told you that it is a free for the everyone. You can see here they have given that it is a free for the students, but it is also for the freshers and the working professionals. For that one, you have to select the one option in the registration, that is a career. So once you friend click on that and register, then you have to select how did you hear about us. So if you are watching my video, then you definitely it will be the YouTube. If not, then you can select the any one social media platforms and register yourself. So friend, once you register, then it will be a virtual internship program added in your account, from where you can access it and learn it. And friend, please explore our channel. We have recently made the various types of video, you can see, like Oracle certification courses, then BCG, then you can see virtual internship programs, and many more videos are given. So please explore our channel and please subscribe mechanical stream. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this virtual internship program, please comment in the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. Thank you.